Big up Crosses TV.
Miss Maxine, you're a crosses TV.
Up yourself, Crosses TV. Number one blogging site right now, dude.
My happy in my house. At Christmas, I'm gonna fix up on a place and stop worry about me. My back big for match my pussy. Dirty people them. A street vendor them. Remember them have a group up. Remember them have a group up. Me not have a group up and me alone. Remember the whole of them are cloud tracer. A cloud them a look after me. A cloud them a look after me. Them a cloud tracer, my love. Card and the $1,300 with the pan it. The boy take it off. Me no know if something got off a blood clot through. And me a play with her, I lock off the light and she start talk out her mouth. So me just turn and me say, girl, dream, I'm leaving. Because me not stay in an Airbnb with no bad vibes. And from where I go in Hollywood, we're vexing at the car straight to blood clot Hollywood. Me never know say that serious. Cause dirty daughter would still itch up back away. If it was that serious, mother tell her daughter do not come behind me. Fuck. The daughter come over there. The daughter class her, she can't take the vibes and this and that. And them something there, so she want to stay yes and them something there. Them a hypocrite. Fuck. For no count table and hide and video my man and them something there and send it out on all of the social media blogging side. Bitch, you don't get invited. Take a seat over there. So we're still friend on Instagram because we're a blood clot Instagram friend. Anything you want to say, can say rings the name till it weak. The woman that happy for me, what you like? My man buy me a handbag. She's like, are you give him the money for buy it, whatever. Like, she never say, oh my God, girl, I'm so happy for you and them, something there. Everything my post she ever depend. Are you give, at least I me give, but them know when for do with it. Fuck. Are you not for call my phone? Me not come live. I don't come live over 8 months now. I've been on and off. Because me I try to keep myself to myself and do me, I'm man as usual. So what is the problem? Me don't need a girl for a bad mind me. Exactly, I always call you and I show you things I will always have conversation over Instagram. As I said, I give you my number. You don't text me on WhatsApp. You don't text me on WhatsApp. So clearly, you're not supposed to feel any way if me even keep a dinner and I don't invite you. That's petty. You never say, and I like say, so I'm crowded dinner. You just say Popsy and one other guy and one other guy and my friend. So it's not like you say one big everlasting dinner with everyone there and you didn't come. So you keep on a shade back to back for the few days them. I'm like, this bitch is crazy. Exact. Then shut up. I'm gonna say drop a bomb for your birthday. I'm gonna say fire in a shot. I don't want to drop a bomb. I don't want fire in a shot. I want to know I look good. Bitch, may I say like from them time that it's been like 8 months or 7 months since I not come live. Like, you know my coming alive. I come on and off the other day them. I just start recoup back and I come back. At that Pebbles vex fat, that is nothing. That is so fucking petty. And you know, she not tell me like say she vex, she's like say she vex, she's like, oh, that's why the girl them hate you and the girl them post them man and you can't post yarn. That bitch is still my friend. Even if she said I am not her friend. And that's it. That bitch is still my friend. Even if she said me and her friend. Remember me know the girls them fake. We all fake. We're hypocrite against one another and that's okay. I'm supposed to delete the voice note because I should never send you a voice note like that. When I look, me I said to myself, say, I should never make Pebbles a draw me out. Why the fuck I'm gonna send Pebbles a voice note like that? I'm not supposed to send you a voice note like that. I'm not supposed to make you a drama out for come and class my friend them, even if they don't call me them friend anymore. I still stand where I stand. And I'm still gonna tell my truth. Yet the people are like, you crazy. Pebbles, you're crazy. You smoke and drink and get high and go around and make problem with people. That's just you. Me don't know why every time is a different. Me can't see so good Pebbles comments. She not really said nothing much for you to say. She's just being a hater. And that's just Pebbles. Like, girl, I'm happy. I'm doing well as usual. And it's Christmas. Enjoy your holiday. When me I tell Pebbles that I'm black, if I want a problem, if somebody black on enough to make that bad on her, can I always go on live and talk shit. If you say I love Pebbles of you, what? Pebbles, alright. I'm not alright. I'm not afraid of Pebbles or nothing. But like I don't want me and Pebbles like for one big argument. Like like what we used to do, like me I said bad things about her and she said bad things about me. But like bitch, why you keeping getting over your feelings about petty stuff? And I like yesterday, I keep a big dinner where yesterday the whole world come. And you say, oh fuck, me and Blondie the pan phone every day and she not invite me. Bitch, me and you go out every time. We meet up and me there downstairs I wait for you. You never ever say, girl, come upstairs. You throw money through the window, give me. You never yet say, girl, come upstairs, feet nothing. Saying you're supposed to get in your feelings about that. Fuck. You're not supposed to get in your feelings about that. Them sit on for my name round table talk. Me not post my man and them post them man and this and that. What? Me not in a man competition with Uno. Me not even know so we in our man competition. If she want to live a fair blood clot business that. Them, me tell you now what them think. Them think that them gonna sit down and talk about me and I don't answer them cause them I gonna use it the boy when me a date name. But I don't care if them want to do anything them want to do them do. Them not have no proof or nothing. Them too sad. Me not walk Badmind, them Badmind. Every day is a different Batman I take set for me. One hour for me, so I'm not gonna sit down and don't answer, Uno. I don't promise on that. I do not promise on it, so I'm gonna sit down and don't answer, Uno. You're crazy.